This is Batman speaking, and since I'm your favorite superhero, I urge you to pay attention. It's time to stop falling victim to those failing MLM programs. Allow me to introduce the Broke No More Flyers and Postcard system. Boost your monthly earnings by sharing your personalized Broke No More Flyer and Postcard. You have the potential to earn $200, $300, or $400 daily, along with 5 books of stamps when someone joins. Begin your journey of working from home and take the lead in turning others' aspirations into tangible achievements by distributing your customized flyer. You'll experience the satisfaction of receiving both cash money and stamps directly in your mailbox as a guaranteed outcome. For any inquiries, please visit www.cashcowprogram.com or get in touch with Rick at 346-704-1754. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start your path to wealth with the Broke No More Flyers today.